do you think they are? You said...
I don't know. I'm sure there's a date on them somewhere.
Okay.
But that's not... The reason why I'm changing them is because they're old. And they're cheap. And they're your lifeblood. And you want to make sure your brake system is up to date and working. Because this truck was a Michigan truck. Anything and everything that can get exposed to weather and salt, these are down there where they're going to be eating salt 24/7, and they're going to take a lot of damage. The best thing to do is, because they're cheap, is just to replace them.
Is that one of the cheapest things to do on a truck then?
The brake system is the cheapest thing to do on a truck.
Really?
That's by design.
Yeah, you told me about that. Remind me why that's by design.
There's no excuses why you can't be doing your brakes.
So everything else about the truck is costly, but the brakes are by design cheaper.
Yeah, they keep them cheap so you can service them. I want your brakes to work all the time.
Too bad nothing else can be cheap by design. Don't they want everything else to work? Don't they want everything else to work?
Look, everybody's lifeblood. Everybody's life that drives on the highways are dependent if they can stop that truck. So much so that the number one thing that they look for whenever DOT does an inspection is the first thing they look at is the brake system. Always has been that way, always will be that way, because if you can't stop an 80,000 pound truck going down the highway, no telling who's going to die. So they try to keep it reasonable so you can do your service. Ladies and gentlemen, have a good one. Have a wonderful day. Wherever you are, have lots of fun. God bless. I'm Big Belly.
And I'm Bumbles.
There she is.
I'm Bumbles.
And together we are...
Turn around. Together,
Big Belly
Belly
Bumbles.
Bumbles.